So the Atomic store is located right on top of the cabriolet and near the slope, so just beside the gondola. So Atomic store will carry all the accessory, and for sure we got the ski, the boots, helmet, goggles, Atomic, and mostly a lot of other brands that it's easy to find and get exactly what you need. On the Atomic store, we have a program that you can rent some ski, and actually you try before you buy. So it's easy, you try many models, and when you like the ski and you want to buy it, we're just going to refund you what you pay on your rental day. So the skis are probably, for myself, it's the best ski on the world. So it's easy to ski with the Atomic ski. They're a strong ski, they're good for ice. So if you look on the World Cup, they're right there.